But
All right, we're talking about our YouTube channel, and we're having some, problems. Bella's here to say that she's completely happy with Chef Sean.
Chef Sean.
Yeah, we gotta get the kids' dog.
Oh, here we go. What's your opinion?
Sean buys the ingredients, and then me and Pablo cook the ingredients.
Yeah.
So Chef Sean.
Whoa.
Just throw it on there.
Come on. Chef Sean does touch the utensils from a time to time, plus the pots and pans. I do rotate things on the fire.
Sean,
Like you said.
instead of Emerald and giving it to Bam, we give it to
Bloopers.
I'm about to flip your beer over.
Oh, she's gonna flip my beer over. Look, I got a little girl gonna flip my Bud Light over. Oh, is that a crime? Is that a crime?
The neighbors,
They're right there.
they turned
The
their
neighbors.
lights on when we was out here making noise, and then they turned them back off when they realized that we don't give a fuck.
What do you got to say, Bella? You being noisy?
No, I'm gonna flip Daddy's head over.
You gonna flip my head off.
Yeah.
Bella, say
Anyways, this is blooper reels for a different kind of thing, Bella.
Do it.
Go. Come on, do it. It'd be so funny.
We just need one for the video, Bella. I'll give you $1.
Yeah, $1
Do it for the camera. Look in the camera and do it. $1.
Do it for the vibe.
It's pretty easy. You just sound like a
Splice this
duck.
together later.
Want $1? Come
Like this?
Just no. You gotta go. Like you're trying to say.
You gotta do it hard, a lot of air. Like
Let's do it for $1. Let's do it for $1.
Like really raspy.
Do it.
Do it.
I don't know how to
Look in the camera and just go.
breathe hard. Go. Say just
I got your $1 right over here.
Huh?
That's gotta be more of a.
It's getting
All
there.
right. Back on the subject.
Put a GH
What's
there.
in the grill? Oh, I think we got some potatoes in there. We got the pot here on
It's
the
in the car
ground.
still, ain't it?
We thought
What's in
it.
the pot?
Oh, the grill. Yeah, we still.
Why don't we see what's in the pot? Oh, we got some good stuff in the pot. Whoa, don't throw that on the ground. Yeah, this is the first episode. Steam pot, crab pot.
Man, we cooked a lot of food. That's
Doing it real big out here. Ain't got no power. We're just showing you how to cook with minimal stuff.
People's already.
We gonna stir over.
You need to do a steam pot on the grill. This is where you go to that channel.
Got a lot of opinions going around, so I figured I'd video.
If you need to do a steam pot on the grill, this is what channel you go to on YouTube right here.
This is what's in the pot.
No. Open it up. There's
This
potatoes
potatoes.
in there. We got potatoes bathing in a what do we call
Parmesan,
this?
butter
What do we call
garlic
it?
bath.
The butter bath.
The butter bath.
They in the butter bath.
I'm gonna go.
We
With
got-
that Parmesan cheese on top.
Parmesan cheese and some
Real deal.
asparagus in a butter bath. In case y'all niggas, don't know how to cook, you can watch our shit,
Mash it.
learn how to cook.